What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about a smart floor lamp from XMcosy. This one is XMcosy Plus Smart Floor Lamp, which comes with double-sided LED. Yeah, there are a lot of interesting and nice features that I love about this device. Especially considering the price of this smart floor lamp, this one is a monster. This one offers a very good value for money. This one comes with endless features and options to play with. So yeah, it's very difficult to portray all the features. So I'm gonna cover the features that I love and which I have been using. This one comes in a very nice packaging. I'm not gonna separately do an unboxing. Yeah, inside the box, this one comes unassembled. We have to do the assembling by ourselves. It's a very easy process. Inside the box, you will get a printed user guide, the lamp head, the lamp pole, power adapter, and the lamp base. Setting up all these things, installing all these things only take a few minutes. We do not need to do anything other than connecting the parts to each other. Finally, after connecting all the parts or after going through the assembly process, what we have to do is to connect the power adapter into the power supply. I really like the design of this smart floor lamp. Yeah, the name is smart. This is a smart floor lamp. But in terms of outlook and appearance, this one actually is pretty simple. This one comes with a very nice design and this one gets blended into any type of environment or any type of different room scenarios. Okay, even if this is a 5 feet 6 inch tall floor lamp, the base of this RGB light is very heavy. This one comes with a 2.2 kilograms base, so it's very difficult to trip over this RGB lamp. And when it's set on a flat surface, then it's really almost an impossible thing that it will get tipped over. It's because this one is built with aluminum, iron and plastic. Yeah, this is a very nice combination which gives this one a very sturdy build quality. XMcosy comes with double head lighting. One side is white color and another side is RGB color. We can easily switch between white light and ambient light. Two sides of the lamp can work together or separately. We can select color temperature of that white light part. That means we can select warm white light, soft white light, natural white light, and yeah, there are 16 million colors for our choice to select between for the ambient light segment. This is really a perfect solution as a reading lamp, task lamp, ambient light for living room, office and bedroom. Even I feel this is a very good solution for a gaming setup. Yeah, if you're a gamer, you'd love this one. Not only for gamers, but also for musicians, this one is a very nice setup. The lamp head comes with a 180-degree up-down flip and 350-degree horizontal rotation function. It also allows us to adjust the angle of lamp head freely. This floor lamp not only supports classic button touch. Yeah, this one comes with a few buttons, but it also can be controlled via application and voice assistant. That's why the name of this floor lamp is a smart floor lamp. We can use this lamp in sync with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant with simple commands. It is easy to turn the lamp on or off or change the brightness and color of one side. Well, when it comes to manual control, we can use these touch buttons to turn this lamp on or off, enable RGB lights with different colors, adjust the brightness and speed level. We can also adjust the white light and we can select brightness and 5 different light temperatures using these touch buttons. Okay, let's talk about the application, which is the core of this smart floor lamp. The application comes with a tons of features. The application allows us to be creative. The application allows us to flourish our inner beauty or wild imaginations. To connect the application, we just need to confirm that the floor lamp and the phone is connected to the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. It's really easy. The application is available in both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. And if you really don't want to search for the application, it's pretty easy. We can just scan the QR code on the manual to get the application. Then what we need to do is to simply follow the on-screen instructions to set up. At the beginning, the phone will get connected to the smart floor lamp via Bluetooth connection, and after we power on the lamp, we need to turn the lamp into pairing mode, and then once it's pairing mode, the lamp will start blinking to get ready for network connection. After that, we can search and add the lamp by clicking on the Add Device option. Well, the application will go through the process and that will allow us to connect this lamp with the local Wi-Fi network. Once the lamp is connected, we can edit the name and save it. In XMcosy application, there are 14 preset scenes for our selection. With a single tap, we can choose the light effect that we want. We can also customize our exclusive scenes according to our environment by separately adjusting the white lamp and the RGB lamp, including brightness, color temperature, and speed. We also have separate custom scene options where we can flourish our creativity. There is a special function in this XMcosy application, and that is plan mode. By scheduling sleep mode or wake mode, the floor lamp will fade in or fade out within the selected time as scheduled. Moreover, we can also create an automation scene. First, we simply create a specific task and then the lamp will respond to that accordingly. For example, if the weather changes, the lamp will start responding to that by selecting a color or by changing a color or changing brightness level, and there are many other options. Oh yeah, a few moments ago I have mentioned that this lamp is also a very good thing for musicians or music lovers. Yeah, inside the application there is a music mood thing. In the music mode, the color of the RGB lamp will automatically sync and yeah, the lamp will respond to the music or the sound. This actually adds a perfect ambience hue for party or playing games or watching movies. Finally, as this lamp comes with a lot of options and as the application is open with a lot of creative ideas, we can actually select a lot of different options. We can go through a lot of different ideas and we can use this lamp in different environment, in different scenarios with different type of lighting effects and colors. Think about it. When you are playing games, you may select something that is aggressive. When your girlfriend comes to visit you, you may select something soft and romantic. When you are in a bad mood, if you want to listen to music, this smart floor lamp from XMcosy will make it easy to make you refreshed, to make you feel better. Or well, let's forget about everything, only to read a newspaper. This one is also a very good companion. Okay, I have been using this lamp because I love this. I have shared these information with you because I think if you really want to have a smart floor lamp, this one is one of the best. I have left a link of this product in the description box below. Go ahead, check the link, and yeah, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. Also, please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Go free me, people like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me.